Curious George in the snow. Curious George in the snow. This is George. George was a good little monkey, always very cute. One cold day, George went to a winter sports competition with his friend, the man with the yellow hat. It was outside all morning, and wanted to warm up with a drink. At the ski lodge on the top of a mountain, the man said, "George, why do you wait? Just tell why I get some hot chocolate. I'll be right back, so don't get any trouble." George liked being out mountains. There was so much to see. What there was something interesting. George thought he looked like a spaceship. He was curious. What's a spaceship doing on a mountain? George forgot all about waiting for hot chocolate. And climbed in. A man with racing shoes saw him and said, "What are you doing in my sled?" He tried to stop George, but it was too late. The sled shot down the mountain with George inside. There's no spaceship, thought George. This was a rocket. "Stop that monkey!" the man lay. But George could not stop, and there was no one to stop him as he sped faster and faster and faster through the snow. The sled switched some trees. Suddenly, the sled slipped sideways. George didn't know how to steer and walked into a pool. Wonk! Luckily, George was not hot, but this was not where he was supposed to be. Now, how he got up the mountain? George looked at the sled. It was stuck by a pole. He looked up the pole. Now I could see a little monkey could get the top of a mountain. George climbed to the pole, and when the empty seat came close enough, he jumped. With the view from up in the air, George could see everything as he rode up the mountain. George's tiny skiers raced down. When he reached the top, George was had to see the ski lodge. Here's his friend with a man yellow hat. This was where he was supposed to be. George found a table, but he couldn't find a man with a yellow hat. Could be. George looked down the mountain. There was someone who liked his friend. Maybe his friend will go down to get George, but how could George get the mountain this time? Having another sled. Why? Here was a monkey-sized sled. George took the sled down. Get out of the bush. The sled was quick to pick up speed on the steep mountain. George zigzagged this way and that way. Then another way all together. Flew over a hill. Landed on a raceway. It's a monkey elbow. Crowd here. Look out, little monkey, someone yelled for the crowd, but George was going too fast that the wind roared in his ears, and he could not hear. But George could see a skeeter right in front of him. Could he stop? No! The crowd gasped as George crashed into the skier and flew up in the air. The skier went tumbling and his ski snapped right in half. When George came down, he landed on a broken ski and kept growing. The crowd was amazed what he was doing. He asked, "Is he skiing?" "He's setting himself in the snow," said the boy. Just sailed down the mountain and came to a smooth stop. What a show! The crowd cheered as George talked about no one had seen skiing like this before. The ski arrived. Everything was glad to see that he was not hurt, and they cheered for him too. Soon, the man with the yellow hat arrived. He was glad to find George. George finally found his friend. The man with the yellow hat made his way through the noisy crowd and to apologize to the skier. "I'm sorry. George caused so much trouble," he said. "That's okay," said the skier. "I still have another race and another pair of skis," he said. "There's some skiing, George." Later that day, the skier raced again and won. It was a new record. The crowd went wild, still cheering when the skier found George at the finish line. Okay. "Thanks to you, George. This big crowd stayed to cheer me on," he said. "I couldn't have won without them or you." He lifted George to his shoulders and the crowd cheered once more. "My favorite monkey skier, George." The end.